Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again, and thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and watching my first video. I saw all your comments, your reposts and everything, and I really appreciate it. So on this video I'm gonna be doing my eyebrow routine, how I do my eyebrows, and maybe you could learn something or pick something there. I also show you the tools that I use as well, the concealer, the brush, the eyebrow pencil. But you don't necessarily have to buy the same product as what I have. It's just so you know the basics, that you need concealer and all those stuff. Obviously I would recommend the stuff that I use because they work best for me, but you don't necessarily have to use the same things. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you come back again for more and more videos. I also just want you guys to know that my uploading day will be on Fridays, so every single Friday you'll get a video from me. So please share this video, share my channel to your friends and your family so that they can subscribe. Just hoping, right now I'm looking forward to getting at least 100 subscribers, so please help me with that. And if you do like this video, please definitely leave a comment for me as to what else do you want to see, or how you feel about my tutorial, and anything else that you want to share with me, you can leave a comment. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below, and definitely hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video you get a notification from YouTube. So before we get off topic or anything else, I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and let's get into the video. my memory was a little short when I was taking the tutorial, and that wasn't the first video I took of the eyebrow tutorials, because the first video, oh my gosh. Anyways, so I hope you do get the idea of the whole tutorial and how I do my eyebrows. And I just did my makeup off camera just so you can see the whole look of how it looks after I've done my foundation and contouring. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. See you next week. Bye.